Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Authenticator on your Roblox. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to use your Google Authenticator for Roblox, you just simply have to open this Authenticator application. And after opening Authenticator, you will get to see this plus button at the bottom right corner. Just simply tap into that button and then tap to this enter setup key or scanner QR code option. I'm choosing enter security key option into here, and after selecting your suitable option, you just simply have to open your Roblox and into there go to settings, specifically into two-factor authentication in the security section of your settings, and then you will get the QR code or security key into there. Now you just simply have to come back to Google Authenticator after copying the security key, and then just simply name the account Roblox, or you can name anything that you want into here. Now just simply paste the security key into this box that you have just copied, then tap to this add button. This way you can easily use your Google Authenticator for Roblox. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.